echoes of the emerald forest, Guatemala's wild heart. Welcome to our journey through the lush landscapes of Guatemala, where we will explore some of the most beautiful animals that call this country home. This Central American jewel, a tapestry woven from volcanic highlands, sprawling rainforests, and ancient Mayan history, cradles within its embrace a biodiversity that is simply breathtaking. Here, life flourishes in a vibrant spectacle, from the canopy high above, echoing with the calls of unseen creatures, to the forest floor, where silent hunters tread with an almost ghostly grace, their movements a whisper in the dense undergrowth. Our exploration today will take us deep into these varied habitats, seeking out creatures that are not only remarkable for their exquisite beauty, but also for the vital roles they play within their ecosystems. We shall witness the iridescent shimmer of feathers that seem to capture the very essence of the jungle light, the powerful, rippling muscles of apex predators moving with serene confidence, and the gentle gaze of ancient herbivores that have roamed these lands for millennia. Each animal tells a story, a testament to the intricate dance of evolution and adaptation that has unfolded over countless generations in this extraordinary and vibrant land. Prepare yourselves to be captivated, to be perhaps a little humbled by the sheer magnificence of Guatemala's wildlife. We will look closely at 5 particular species, each an icon of this nation's natural heritage, each a precious thread in the rich biological fabric that makes Guatemala so profoundly special. It is a privilege to share these encounters with you, to bring the wild heart of this land, with all its untamed beauty and ecological significance, a little closer to your own understanding and appreciation. The feathered serpent's legacy, the resplendent quetzal. The resplendent quetzal, a name that whispers of ancient gods and ethereal beauty, is more than just Guatemala's national bird. It is a living jewel, a fleeting vision of emerald and crimson against the deep green of the cloud forests. To glimpse one is an experience that stays with you, a moment where time itself seems to pause in reverence. Its plumage, a dazzling array of iridescent greens, blues and golds, shimmers and changes with every subtle movement as if woven from light itself. The male, in particular, is a breathtaking sight, adorned with exceptionally long tail-covert feathers that flow behind him like silken streamers as he navigates the dense undergrowth, a truly regal presence in these high-altitude sanctuaries. These magnificent birds are often shy, their calls a soft melodic cooing that drifts through the misty canopy, a gentle song in a world of green. These birds are intrinsically linked to the history and culture of the region, revered by ancient civilizations like the Maya and Aztecs, who saw them as symbols of freedom and wealth, their feathers more precious than gold. Indeed, the quetzal was associated with Quetzalcoatl, the feathered serpent deity, a powerful figure in Mesoamerican mythology, embodying creation and wisdom. Today, their image graces the nation's currency and its flag, a constant reminder of the natural splendor that Guatemala holds so dear. They are primarily frugivores, feeding on the fruits of the Lauraceae family, a diet which remarkably contributes to the unique iridescence of their feathers. This specialized diet also makes them crucial seed dispersers, playing a vital role in the regeneration and health of their precious forest home, a silent partnership ensuring the forest's future. Observing a quetzal in its natural habitat, perhaps as it delicately plucks a wild avocado or performs its undulating courtship flight, is to witness a masterpiece of evolution in motion. The male's elaborate display, a dance in the air designed to attract a mate, showcases not only his vibrant colors but also those incredible trailing plumes which can reach lengths of over 2 feet, trailing like verdant ribbons. Their nests are typically found in decaying tree trunks, carefully excavated by the birds themselves, where they raise their young amidst the cool, moist air of the cloud forest, a hidden nursery high above the ground. The survival of this magnificent creature is, of course, inextricably tied to the preservation of these unique high-altitude forests, a poignant reminder of our shared responsibility to protect such irreplaceable wonders for all time. Shadow of the rainforest, the elusive jaguar. Deep within the emerald labyrinth of Guatemala's rainforests prowls a creature of mythic power and breathtaking beauty, the jaguar. Panthera onca, the largest cat in the Americas and the 3rd largest in the world, is a masterpiece of evolutionary design. a silent, solitary hunter cloaked in a coat of gold, exquisitely patterned with dark rosettes that swirl like living ink. Each jaguar's coat is unique, like a fingerprint, a dappled camouflage that renders it almost invisible amidst the shifting light and shadow of the dense jungle undergrowth, a ghost in the green. To see one in the wild is a rare privilege, a fleeting glimpse into the raw, untamed heart of the wilderness, an encounter that speaks of ancient power and primal grace, leaving an indelible mark on the soul. They move with a stealth and confidence that is truly awe-inspiring, each step measured and deliberate. These magnificent predators are symbols of strength and resilience, holding a significant place in the cosmology of ancient Mesoamerican cultures, often depicted in art and mythology as powerful deities or spirit companions, guardians of the sacred realms. Their very presence shapes the ecosystem around them. As apex predators, they help maintain the balance of prey populations, culling the weak and sick, thereby ensuring the health and vitality of the entire forest community. Jaguars are incredibly adaptable, found in a variety of habitats from dense rainforests to swampy wetlands. Their territory is vast and often overlapping, requiring extensive tracts of undisturbed land. They are formidable hunters, equipped with exceptionally powerful jaws, capable of piercing the tough hides of prey like caiman or the shells of turtles, a testament to their evolutionary prowess and hunting skill. The jaguar's life is one of patience and precision, a masterclass in predatory efficiency. They are largely nocturnal and crepuscular hunters, using the cover of darkness and the dim light of dawn and dusk to their advantage. Their keen senses, sight, hearing and smell, all finely tuned for detecting the slightest movement or scent of prey. Unlike many other big cats, they are also strong swimmers and adept climbers, perfectly at home in the complex, three-dimensional world of the rainforest, equally comfortable stalking prey on land or ambushing it from the water's edge. They might stalk their quarry for hours, moving with an almost supernatural silence before launching a sudden, decisive attack, often a single, powerful bite. The conservation of these elusive phantoms is paramount, for their survival is inextricably linked to the preservation of the vast, interconnected wildernesses they call home, a challenge that requires our utmost dedication and international cooperation. Chapter 3. A Symphony in Scarlet. The Vivacious Macaw. From the dense canopy of Guatemala's lowland rainforests, a flash of brilliant color erupts against the verdant green. The scarlet macaw, our macaw with its plumage of vivid scarlet, sunshine yellow and deep azure blue, is an avian spectacle, a living rainbow that soars through the skies with an almost joyful exuberance, a vibrant declaration of life. These are not quiet, retiring birds. Their presence is announced by loud, raucous calls that echo through the forest, a distinctive and boisterous soundtrack to the jungle's daily rhythm, impossible to ignore. To witness a flock in flight, their magnificent wings beating in unison, their colors blazing against the blue, is to see a breathtaking display of natural artistry, a riot of color against the vast canvas of the sky, a truly unforgettable sight. They are truly one of the most visually stunning inhabitants of this rich ecosystem. Scarlet macaws are highly intelligent and social creatures, often forming strong, lifelong pair bonds that are a testament to their complex emotional lives. These pairs are frequently seen flying close together, almost touching, preening each other, a demonstration of their deep connection and mutual care. They're also remarkably long-lived, with lifespans that can extend for several decades in the wild, allowing them to accumulate a wealth of experience and knowledge about their environment, passing this wisdom through generations. Their diet consists mainly of fruits, nuts and seeds, and they possess incredibly powerful beaks, capable of cracking open even the hardest of shells with apparent ease. This feeding behavior also plays a role in seed dispersal, contributing to the health and diversity of the forest they inhabit, making them more than just a pretty sight, but active participants in the forest's life cycle. Observing these magnificent birds at a clay lick, where large groups gather to ingest minerals that neutralize toxins found in their diet, is an unforgettable experience, a natural phenomenon of incredible beauty. It is a social occasion, a cacophony of calls and a dazzling display of color as dozens, sometimes hundreds of macaws congregate, interacting and reaffirming social bonds. Their intelligence is further demonstrated by their complex social interactions and their ability to mimic sounds, though this is more commonly observed in captive individuals, hinting at a sophisticated cognitive capacity. Sadly, like many brilliantly colored creatures, they have faced severe threats from habitat loss due to deforestation and the illegal pet trade, making conservation efforts absolutely crucial for ensuring that their vibrant calls and breathtaking flights continue to grace Guatemala's skies for generations to come. Chapter 4. The Gentle Gardener of the Undergrowth Baird's Tapir. Amidst the dense undergrowth and along the muddy banks of rainforest rivers in Guatemala roams a truly peculiar and ancient creature, the Baird's tapir. Tapirus bairdi, the largest native land mammal in Central America, is a gentle giant, a herbivore whose lineage stretches back millions of years, a living relic from a bygone era connecting us to a distant past. With its stocky body, short, bristly fur, and most notably its prehensile snout, or proboscis, the tapir presents a unique and somewhat endearing appearance, unlike any other creature in its domain. This flexible snout, an extension of its nose and upper lip, is a remarkable tool used with great dexterity to grasp leaves, twigs, and fruits, guiding them into its mouth with surprising precision. It's a creature that seems to belong to another time, moving with a deliberate, thoughtful pace. These shy and largely nocturnal animals are often solitary, preferring the quiet solitude of dense forests and swampy lowlands where they can forage undisturbed. They are excellent swimmers and will readily take to water to escape predators such as jaguars or crocodiles, or simply to cool off in the tropical heat, often submerging themselves completely. Their thick, tough skin offers some protection, and their surprisingly agile movement through dense vegetation belies their somewhat cumbersome appearance, allowing them to navigate their complex habitat with ease. Tapirs play a crucial role in their ecosystem as gardeners of the forest. By consuming a wide variety of fruits from numerous plant species, they disperse seeds over large areas in their droppings, contributing significantly to forest regeneration and maintaining plant diversity, a vital, if often unseen, service that shapes the very structure of the forest. The Baird's tapir has a calm and placid demeanor, generally avoiding confrontation unless cornered or protecting its young. Young tapirs are particularly charming, born with a pattern of spots and stripes that provide excellent camouflage in the dappled light of the forest floor, a beautiful adaptation that they lose as they mature into their more uniform adult coats. Despite their size and ancient lineage, these gentle giants face significant threats from habitat loss due to deforestation for agriculture and human settlement, as well as from hunting for their meat and hides. Their slow reproductive rate makes their populations particularly vulnerable to decline, requiring urgent conservation attention. Protecting these unique and ecologically important animals means preserving the vast tracts of forest they depend upon, ensuring that these ancient browsers continue to shape and enrich Guatemala's wilderness for the future. Chapter 5. The Ancient Guardian of the Waters, Morelet's Crocodile. In the freshwater rivers, swamps, and lagoons of Guatemala's lowlands lurks an ancient predator, a survivor from the age of dinosaurs, the Morelet's crocodile. Crocodilus moreletii, sometimes known as the Mexican crocodile, is a relatively small to medium-sized crocodilian, yet it possesses all the formidable attributes of its larger relatives, a perfectly adapted aquatic hunter. Its armored hide, a mosaic of tough, bony scutes, provides excellent protection and a rugged primeval appearance, while its powerful jaws, lined with rows of sharp interlocking teeth, are a testament to its predatory prowess. Though perhaps not as overtly beautiful in the conventional sense as a quetzal or macaw, there is a profound primeval beauty in its form, a perfection of design honed over millions of years of evolution to thrive in its aquatic realm, a true master of its environment. These crocodiles are masters of ambush, often lying motionless in the water with only their eyes and nostrils visible above the surface, patiently waiting for unsuspecting prey to come within striking range. Their diet is varied, consisting of fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and small mammals that venture too close to the water's edge, a demonstration of their opportunistic feeding strategy. The Morelet's crocodile plays a vital role as an apex predator in its freshwater ecosystem, helping to regulate populations of its prey species and maintaining the overall health and balance of the aquatic environment, removing sick or weak individuals. They are primarily nocturnal, becoming more active hunters as darkness falls, their presence a reminder of the wild, untamed nature that still flourishes in Guatemala's intricate waterways, a silent power beneath the surface. The Morelet's crocodile is distinguished by its relatively broad snout compared to other New World crocodiles, and its darker coloration, which can range from dark grey to almost black, providing excellent camouflage in murky waters. They build mound nests out of vegetation and soil near the water's edge, where the female will lay her eggs and guard them diligently, sometimes for several months until they hatch, demonstrating remarkable parental care. The survival of these remarkable reptiles was once severely threatened by overhunting for their valuable hides in the mid-20th century, but thanks to concerted conservation efforts and protective legislation, their populations have shown encouraging signs of recovery in many areas. However, they still face ongoing threats from habitat destruction, pollution of waterways, and human-wildlife conflict. Ensuring the continued presence of these ancient guardians in Guatemala's waters is a testament to the resilience of nature and the importance of our ongoing conservation commitment to these magnificent reptiles. Chapter 6: The Enduring Wild, a Guatemalan Legacy. Our journey through the diverse ecosystems of Guatemala, observing just a handful of its most captivating creatures, has hopefully illuminated the incredible richness of life that this nation harbors within its borders. From the ethereal flight of the resplendent quetzal in the misty cloud forests, a splash of living color, to the silent, watchful gaze of the Morelet's crocodile in its freshwater domain, an ancient sentinel. Each animal we've encountered is a masterpiece of natural selection, a vital thread in an intricate ecological tapestry woven over eons. The vibrant hues of the scarlet macaw, the formidable grace of the jaguar, and the gentle browsing of the Baird's tapir all speak of a wilderness that is both ancient and ever-evolving, a heritage of immense intrinsic and scientific value. The beauty we have witnessed is not merely aesthetic, it is the beauty of function, of perfect adaptation, of life persisting in countless remarkable forms, each uniquely suited to its environment. These animals are not just inhabitants of Guatemala, they are Guatemala, embodying its spirit, its ecological complexities, its challenges, and its enduring natural splendor that has captivated explorers and scientists for centuries. Their continued existence depends on a delicate balance, one that is increasingly influenced by human actions both locally and globally. The preservation of their habitats, the respect for their wildness, and the commitment to robust, science-based conservation are paramount if future generations are to also experience the awe and wonder that these creatures invariably inspire. It has been a profound privilege to share these glimpses of Guatemala's extraordinary wildlife with you, to explore these hidden corners of a vibrant world. The natural world is a source of endless wonder, profound learning, and deep spiritual connection, and by understanding and appreciating it more deeply, we can all play a more active and informed part in its protection for the benefit of all life on Earth. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Guatemala's wildlife. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing nature content.